When it comes to writing a good vocal melody, it can sometimes seem impossible. What even makes a vocal melody good? I think the best definition is the ability of that melody to play its part in expressing the emotion of the song and its lyric. And melodic shapes can be a powerful way to start doing that. In this video, we're going to look at ways to use the inverted arch shape melody. Hi, I'm Tony from Songwriters Chop Shop. A melodic shape is the shape of a melody, how it moves, and there are 6 basic shapes. The inverted arch shape melody starts up high, dips down, and goes high again.
All our times have come here, but now they're gone. I guess you're just what I needed. I needed someone to feed. I guess you're just what I needed. I needed someone to breathe.
A lot of a melody's emotional feel comes from its movement. That's to say, when the notes go up in pitch, we can feel a build up in energy and tension. When the notes go down in pitch, we can feel a release of that energy. In the first video, we talked about how an arch-shaped melody seems to often be used to express a sentiment of reaching and distance, either in time or space.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away.
In Yesterday, we can see that the lyrical idea behind the arch-shaped melody is reaching into a past memory. Then we get an inverted arch shape when the lyrical idea seems to pull us back into the current reality.
Now it looks as though they're here to stay.
So if the arch shape is great for expressing a sentiment of reaching, then the inverted arch is great for expressing a sentiment of pulling back or down.
2 jumps in a week, bet you think that's pretty clever. It's all what you bored. Flying on a motorcycle, watching all the ground beneath you drive.
In High and Dry, the lyric is talking to someone who is turning into something they are not. The singer is trying to bring them back down to earth. Again, there's that pulling motion, and this time it's in the subtext of the lyric. A lyric's subtext is the emotional meaning underneath the lyric. With a different melody, lyrics can take on different meanings. In Yesterday, the singer tells us exactly how he feels, and the subtext created by the melody is telling the same thing. In High and Dry, the lyrics are describing the situation, and the subtext created by the melody is letting us know how he feels about it. With a different melodic shape, say a flatline melody, it could feel like the singer isn't trying to help the other person, but instead is crushed by how the other person has taken them for granted.
2 jumps in a week, bet you think that's pretty clever. Touch boy. Flying on a motorcycle, watching all the crowd beneath you drive.
This can be a really powerful technique, and if you want to hear more about it, have a look at this video. I'll link it in the description. So if music is about tension and release, and the inverted arch shape is releasing tension before it's built, it can have an interesting quality and can be useful for expressing a melancholic or intimate lyric.
One is the loneliest number you'll ever do. 2 can be as bad as 1. It's the loneliest number since the number 1.
Still a little bit of your taste in my mouth. There's still a little bit of you laced with my doubt. It's still a little hard to say.
This melodic shape is also a real team player. It's great to use when moving from an external lyric to an internal feeling lyric.
a smile. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world, and I'll always remember you like a child girl.
Very often, a song's chorus will be based on the internal feelings the singer has about the song's topic. Using different melodic shapes is a great way to create contrast between sections of songs. For example, a song that uses a mostly inverted arch-shaped melody in the verse could contrast that in the chorus by using a different melodic shape.
All our times have come here, but now they're gone. Seasons don't fear the reaper, nor do the wind, the sun, or the rain.
We can be like they are.
Come on, baby.
Don't fear the reaper.
Baby, take my hand.
Don't fear the reaper.
We'll be able to fly.
Don't fear the reaper.
Baby, I'm your man. La, la, la.
In Don't Fear the Reaper, we can see the contrast between the verse and the chorus. The verse talks about the inevitability of death, and it uses an inverted arch-shaped melody. The chorus talks about not fearing death, and it uses mostly ascending shapes. All the examples I used today were created in Hook Theory's HookPad. Hook Theory is an interactive website with tons of resources that help you create music, like the Theory tab database, where you can see thousands of songs, what chords they use, and how their melodies work. I am an affiliate for this, but if you ever want to support the channel and pick up an amazing resource, there's a link in the description below. And if not, I recommend you check out Hook Theory anyway. It has loads of great free resources. And let me know in the comments below what's been your favourite melodic shape so far in this series. Okay, catch you next time.